Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to make fresh breadcrumbs at home. Now let's start with 4 slices of bread. I'm using a toaster here. You can always use a pan if you want to, but make sure to get both the sides of the breads really crunchy. I've set the knob to 3 minutes. Let's get the bread toasted. Now that the breads are nicely toasted and crunchy, we will get it grinded in a food processor or a mixer grinder. So our breadcrumbs are ready here. So I always store my breadcrumbs in an airtight container in my freezer and it will last for about 2 to 3 weeks. So until we meet again, bye.